Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. A source just confirmed that Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has been charged to court in Benin Republic. He has been reportedly taken to a court called Judicial Service Benin in Rue 447, Cotonou, Benin Republic. One of the allegations levied against him is use of fake Nigerian passports. Earlier before this news, it was equally reported that he is being treated badly, which the counsel for his arrest has described the treatment as inhuman in the custody of the police in Benin Republic. The counsel, who is Chief Yomi Alliyu SAN, stated on Tuesday that his client was chained inside the cell, being tortured and forced to weep like a baby. The lawyer said, according to Sahara reporters, as I quote, "They chained him in the cell where they put him in Cotonou. There was a fracas at the airport yesterday when he was arrested. They hit him in the head and that same hand was handcuffed. He is in pains and he was weeping like a child when I called. I heard him. The wife too was put in a separate cell, but they didn't chain the wife. He was crying. The wife was crying too because he was in pains seriously. We only pray they don't pay anybody to kill him. You don't put someone in cell and still chain the person. You know he sustained injury and they didn't take him to hospital for treatment. We heard that he is appearing in court tomorrow, but I don't know whether they will carry it out." So now Chief Sunday Igboho has been taken to court. Thanks for watching.